let me show you the easiest way to share your old WordPress blog post on Facebook in just a few simple steps. This can help you get more traffic to your old blog posts and boost engagement at the same time. If that sounds good to you, let's get started. To do this, we'll be using the ClickSocial plugin, an all-in-one tool that makes managing your social media account a breeze. For this video, I've already got it installed ahead of time, as you can see on the left-hand side. So we're now inside our WordPress dashboard inside ClickSocial. But if you want to learn how to install and set up ClickSocial, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen. Once we have ClickSocial installed, let me show you how we can connect our Facebook account. On the left-hand side, you'll already notice that we have an Instagram account connected. Underneath that, you'll find a button that says Add New. Go ahead and click on that. Next, on the right-hand side, click Add Account. And here you can see all the different accounts you can add with ClickSocial. It currently supports accounts from X, Facebook, and Instagram. Let's go click on Facebook. Now inside Facebook, you can see all the different Facebook pages associated with your account inside this menu. Select the one you want to connect to ClickSocial, like this, then click Continue. After that, you can also select the business account connected to that Facebook page. It's this one here. Select it, then click Continue. Lastly, all you have to do is click Save at the bottom, and then click on Got It. And now underneath Connected Accounts, we can see that our Facebook account is good to go. In this video, I wanted to show you how we can automatically share our old WordPress blog post onto Facebook. To do that, we'll have to go into the Revive Posts menu. Click on that. Inside this menu at the top, you can see that it says Revive Old WordPress blog posts by automatically sharing them on social media. And that's exactly what we'll do with ClickSocial. We'll automatically share our existing WordPress blog posts onto our Facebook account. To get started, click on Set Up Revival Posts. And for step number 1, we'll have to add filters for our Revival campaign. This will help ClickSocial know what posts you want to publish on Facebook. You can add a filter for date, tags, and authors. So starting with date, you can specify a date range so that ClickSocial will only include blog posts from that date range. Currently it's set to publish between, so you can set a start date and end date. Inversely, you can also open this up and tell ClickSocial to exclude certain blog posts published in that date range too. But for now, let's continue with publish between, and we can select a few years ago. So let's go 2021, January. Let's go with 1st. And the end date can be today. There we go. And the next filter we have is tags. We can choose to include blog posts that contain a specific tag, or even exclude blog posts containing a specific tag too. And lastly, we can also filter based on the post authors. You can choose to include posts by a specific author, or even exclude posts by that author too. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the filters. And at the top, you can see that we have 8 posts that currently fit these filters. If you click on Show, you can get a detailed view of what those posts are. So we have the post title and when that post was published. Let's click on Back to Filter, and then click on Next. Now onto step number 2, selecting what social media accounts we want to share our blog posts to. Let's click on our Facebook account right here. Once selected, click Next. Now step number 3, crafting the captions for our blog posts. These will be the captions when sharing our blog posts onto Facebook. We can write something like, check out our blog post about, like that. And next, we can add a dynamic variable, as you can see at the bottom. We have several dynamic variables to help you, including the post title, excerpt, short post link, and categories as hashtags. And here's how they work. When you add a dynamic variable, such as the post title, that dynamic variable will be replaced by the content from that blog post. Next, we can type in something like, read it here, and then we can use a short post link variable. And that looks good to me, so we can click on Next. Finally, on to step number 4, specifying when we want to publish these posts. On this menu, we have all the days of the week from Monday through Sunday, and we can add specific times to publish our posts. So for example, if we wanted to publish the posts every Friday, let's go ahead and select Friday. Next, we can add the time to publish the post. Click on Add Time. Then we can specify the hour. Let's go with 6. And for the minute, 0, because we're going to go with 6 p.m. There we go. And click on the blue check mark, and that's already good to go. So we're sharing our blog posts every Friday at 6 p.m. If you wanted to share multiple posts, you can add another day of the week. For example, let's go with Wednesday, and we can add that time here too. But for this demonstration, I'm pretty happy with posting them on Friday at 6 p.m. But since we enabled that Wednesday time slot, we have to deactivate it too. If you've added a time, you can click on the bin icon and delete that time slot. We can also deactivate it by deselecting the day like this, right? So Wednesday we're not posting at all, but we still have our Friday posting time slot. And once you're happy with that, click Submit on the bottom right corner. And just like that, ClickSocial has automatically populated our posting schedule with our blog posts. So every Friday, we can see that there's a blog post being published onto our Facebook account. If we open up one of these posts, you can see the caption of the post. Before, we wrote, check out our blog post about, And the post title dynamic variable has been replaced by the title of that actual blog post. Underneath that, we've also written read it here. After that, we have the shortened blog post link too. And what's really cool is when you're sharing your WordPress blog post onto Facebook, the featured image from that blog post will be shared as the image on the Facebook post. So we have a featured image for this post here. So I'm going to hide that first. And then we can check out another post too. Let's go with this one. Once again, we have the caption template, the dynamic variable replaced by the blog title, and the short post link too. And underneath, we have the featured image for that post. So if I go back, all these posts are now ready to be published on Facebook, and they'll automatically do so without you having to lift a finger. But for this demonstration, I just want to show you what it will look like when a post is published. So let's select one of these here. Let's go with this one. And I'm going to modify it so we can post it right away. Click on Update Post at the bottom. And here we can modify the caption for the post, modify the image, or add additional images if we'd like to, and also adjust the posting time. If we open it up, we can customize the exact date and time we'd like to publish the post. Once the date is selected, we can schedule it for a custom time like so. But for now, we want to publish this immediately. So we can click on the button that says Now on the top right corner. Alright, so the posting time is now updated to publish now. And if we click on Update, ClickSocial has now moved that to the top of the queue, and it's going to publish in just a matter of minutes. Let me head to my Facebook account and see if the post has been published. And here we are now on our Facebook page, and if I scroll down, let's see if our post has been published. And here it is right here. So you can see that it says published by ClickSocial just now. And if we open it up, we can see the featured image from our blog post that we saw inside ClickSocial. And on the right hand side, we can see the caption, which says, check out our blog post about, the marvelous mango, which is the blog post title. And underneath that, we have read it here with a shortened blog post link. If I click on it, that takes us directly to our blog post on our WordPress site, making it really easy for your Facebook followers to discover your older WordPress blog posts. That's how you can easily share your older WordPress blog posts onto Facebook using ClickSocial. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and happy posting.